Friends, world is facing an unprecedented pandemic of COVID-19. More than 50 lakh people across 188 countries have got infected by COVID-19. More than 3.25 lakh people have died of COVID-19. Translating these figures into percentages, we get a very minuscule percentage of less than 1% getting infected by COVID 19. The mortality rate of COVID 19 is between 3 and 4%. As against this, the negativity being spread across the globe is much more disproportionate. We don't have stories of 99% of people who have managed to keep themselves safe from COVID 19. We do not have stories of 96% of people who have got cured of COVID 19. We have only stories of death and fear of death. Negativity is spreading like wildfire, or rather, it has already spread. Can we do something about this negativity? Negativity can be solved through the help of metaphysics. Let us understand how. Today, we are having a slogan. We are fighting a battle against COVID 19 and we will win it. This slogan by itself sounds very upbeat, very positive, because in the end it says we will win it. But it has got fundamental flaws. Let us analyze what they are. In this slogan, the word fighting battle is ahead of win. That means we will have to fight a battle to eventually win. Now, this fighting and battle evokes negativity. It brings back all the memory of the real battle. We have seen in history that battle means destruction, loss of life, destruction of property, bloodshed, etc., and all the miseries related to the real battle. Subconsciously, everyone is building a treasure of negativity in their mind. Now, let us talk about metaphysics. Each word has its own unique frequency. It has got its unique vibration. Each word, whether in a thought format or spoken explicitly, releases a frequency, releases a vibration. This vibration released by an individual is known as an individual vibration. This individual vibration has got a trait of attracting a like vibration. That is the magnetic property of individual vibration. Now, what does this do? Individual vibration, once released by an individual, travels in cosmos and hits the universal vibration. Universal vibration is nothing but a pulling off vibration of all the past and present people on the earth. It has got all types of vibrations released by all type of people, positive, negative, neutral, etc. Now imagine in COVID-19 times, people are releasing negativity, people are releasing negative vibrations. All these individual vibrations are hitting the universal vibrations, hitching with the negative vibrations existing in the universal vibration. And both together are traveling back to the originator with much more intensity. Much more intensity because it is coming from a higher source having a higher power. Today, 7 billion people are releasing individual frequencies, which is negative, and the traffic back from universal vibration is much more multifold. And this is existing in the universe as on today. Whole world is engulfed by negativity. Do we have any solution? Yes. Again, the recourse is metaphysics. We need to remove all the negative words that are being used in electronic media and social media. We will have to coin a new slogan which will be replacing the existing one. We will have to coin a simple solution like we will be safe from COVID 19. This solution is very simple, having no negative words like fighting, battle, etc. etc. Now, if all the 7 billion people starts releasing this positive vibration, the traffic back from universal vibration will be equally more positive, and that will eliminate all the negativity existing on the earth. Besides, when a mind is positive, it releases certain kinds of chemicals within our body. These chemicals are necessary to build immunity within our body. Today, people are taking external medicines to build immunity from COVID 19. As you all know, COVID 19 as of today is not having any cure or vaccine. Prevention and immunity building is suggested as of now. So, to build immunity, instead of depending on external source, why not depend on own individual personal source, which will be much more organic. The brain exactly knows what quantity you need, what dosages you need, and what type of immunity you need. So depend more on your mind for your immunity. Build positivity in your mind, and rest will be taken care of. So, friends, till now, everyone knew about positivity, its benefits. Today, we have seen the benefits of positive vibration. We can start releasing positive vibration and make an attempt to change this world from negative to positive. I hope everyone is in sync and releases positive vibration and tries to keep themselves safe from COVID 19 through this positive vibration. Wishing you all a safe life, secure life from COVID 19. Jai Hind.